it's your girl E, and you know I like to get straight into it. So here I'm just parting my hair off so I can go ahead and start the illusion individual parts. And as you can see, I parted my hair from ear to ear and then right down the middle. So here I'm just parting off the first section, and then I'm going to part it right down the middle to make two boxes. Apply some jam so it can be sleek and laid, and then I will go ahead and tie it with the rubber band, and then I'll do the same on the other section that's behind my ear, but then I will tie that first strand that I'm working on right now together with the second strand, so that way it can be two boxes that are connected and give that illusion effect. And this is where I connect the two pieces together so that way they become one. So you see where I'm like messing with it and then I pull it tighter. Don't do that, okay? It's too much tension. But this was my very first time doing this, so you live and you learn. And then here I'm just going to repeat the whole process around the front of my hairline. parts. Here I did like 4 little box parts just to give the illusion of the individual look at the nape of my neck in case I wanted to put my hair up. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I did this for no reason because I'm not gonna put all this hair up. And here I am going to cornrow the rest of my hair down while grabbing the little parts at the bottom. If you don't know how to cornrow, you definitely can do flat twists. I ended up taking all of the braids out at the end because I was trying to do it where they tuck it in the braids, but my hair, it was going all the way to the front of my forehead. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna do one big dookie braid right across the back and then I will tuck it somehow. But yeah, that's exactly what I did. And with crochet, it's really good for beginners because no matter how that mess looks in the back, what pattern you got going on, as long as it's stable and it's down in some way and you can get the crochet hair through, you're good to go. This is when I started crocheting the locks in those 4 parts that I made. And what you do is you put the needle through with the latch open, and then that opening at the top of the crochet hair, you place it on the latch, you close it, pull it through, and then you go back through that opening and grab the other end, close the latch, and then you pull it through that hole that's in the hair. And after that, you're good to go, and then you just repeat that all the way around until you're done. I installed all the locks, and here I am just working on my baby hair. I did have a bit of a struggle with these locks, I'm not gonna lie, because it was just so hard trying to pull it through, and that's why I just skipped to this part where I was done, because I was like, they not gonna want to see me struggle. Here is the final look, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't like it at first, but once I styled it this way, I was like, all right, I can get into her. But yes, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for all the love, you guys. Bye.